part two of the unfortunate experience I had with the office space that I was using, cafe in town. So I recorded that video a few weeks ago, though it just went up. And here's the part two, which is encouraging, is what happened. So just to recap for people who are new to the story, that you can see the video posted fairly recently, was I was at a cafe and one of the staff came up and basically said, if you're not going to buy something, you can't be here. Despite the fact that I've been an extremely good, loyal, frequent client who'd spent quite a bit of money there over time and brought friends. And so I just left and said, well, okay, I just won't be back. Because I'd asked the staff person, I said, so is this just coming straight from the top? And she said, yes. So, of course I assumed it was from the management. But then I get home and one of the staff who was working with this young woman said, I told her not to go and say anything. I guess that had come up in conversation. And then the manager, the owner, reached out to me directly and personally and said, I'm horrified. I did not ask her to do that. I can't believe that happened. Please come back. So that's how you do it. So I've been back many times. And, I'm not wanting that person to be fired, but I did ask what days that person worked, so I won't be there on those days. And, but so this is how you do it. If you have a customer who's been really good to you and hasn't done anything wrong, but one of your staff has screwed it up, of course you go and clean it up. And, you make amends, you express your remorse that it happened. And I'm happy, I'm thrilled. That's all I needed. Most of the time our clients don't need us to, break the bank making it right. Often they just need a sincere acknowledgement, apology, commiseration. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry that happened. People just need to feel valued. When people don't think they're being valued, boy, they tend to go elsewhere where they will be valued. And that's true in relationships, romantically, with friends, and in business. It's all the same thing, So anyways, I wanted to give you the update. I'm very thrilled to be back at that cafe. They're really wonderful people. They do good stuff. It's my favorite place to hang out. And if anyone wants to know what it is, please feel free to direct message me, and I'm happy to let you know, because it's a great place to be if you're ever passing through Duncan. So that's the update. I'll give you all the heads up on that, and thanks for watching.